Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. I thought I'd let you know, yes, we're in Cannelton, Indiana. Yes, Cannelton, Indiana is a city in Troy Township, Perry County, which is in the United States of Indiana, along the Ohio River. The name Cannelton was adapted in 1844, and it derives from the cannel coal, which was once mined in the area. A post office was or has been operating in the Cannelton area since 1844. The Cannelton Cotton Mill, which is the Cannelton Historic District, and St. Luke's Church are listed on the National Registry of the Historical Places. William P. Birchall, if I pronounced your name right, sorry about that, state representative, is among the people that are here. Tim Whelan, a film director, writer, producer, and actor. Cannelton Mills was built in 1849 and was one of the largest industrial buildings in the United States west of the mountains. It is now an historical landmark. Cannelton Lock and Dam provides a 114-mile stretch of the calm waters of the Ohio River between the Cannelton and the Louisville, Kentucky North Airline Flight 71 Memorial, and 8 miles east off of State Route 166. Sorry about that. This is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped in, yes, Cannelton, Indiana. We're on our way to the next town, so make sure you spread the word that CJ the Traveler Man is going to be stopping in a city, a state, a village, a town, and you name it, we're going to be there. You just tell everybody, spread the word that CJ the Traveler Man is going to hit up your city, your town, and your village, and let me throw in the state as well. So CJ the Traveler Man signing out of Cannelton, Indiana. Peace.